Fifth sub question. Cos theta is 1 upon root 3. So we have to find sin theta and tan theta. Again we use the equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now cos theta is 1 upon root 3. So sin square theta is written as it is. In place of cos theta, I write here 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 the whole square equal to 1. So in the next step we have to take this to the other side. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 3 the whole square. So this becomes 1 can be written as 1 square. Here 1 upon root 3 the whole square. So a square minus b square, which will be a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 plus 1 upon root 3. Okay. And here 1 minus 1 upon root 3. Once we get this, now in the next step, root 3 into 1 is root 3. So here you have root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. In here this becomes root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. So now here you see root 3 into root 3 in the denominator becomes 3. In the numerator we have root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. This becomes root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 becomes root 3 square. Okay. So root 3 square, and here it does not become multiply because this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. B here is 1. So root 3 square minus 1 square. Let us see what it simplifies as. Root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 square, that is 1 upon 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, we have 2 upon 3. Now, if sin square theta is 2 upon 3, sin theta will be square root of 2 upon 3. Or we can write this as root 2 upon root 3. Okay. So, either we write it as full root 2 upon 3. Now, I have written it like this because I want to cancel when I put the values of sin theta and cos theta. Now, sin theta is root 2 upon root 3. Cos theta is 1 upon root 3. So, here in place of sin theta, I will write root 2 upon root 3. Cos theta is 1 upon root 3. What happens? The denominators cancel. What is left? Tan theta, that is root 2 upon 1. So either it is root 2 upon 1 or just root 2. So tan theta becomes root 2 here in this question.